Hi and welcome to another video. Today is an unboxing of a big Turtles collection that we've got. As you can see, our little cat managed to get inside the box just before the video, but it looks super cute, so we thought we'd leave that on for your viewing pleasure. These are the two only pictures I had before I made the decision to buy this. It was a house clearance auction. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of cool stuff there, but the carrier bag was what interested me as well. I couldn't see what was in it. I didn't get a chance to look, but I was figuring that with all those figures and vehicles, there's going to be some cool parts in it. And luckily I was right. Opening the bag was a big surprise, and I'll let you enjoy it with me. I sped up the initial opening because that's a bit boring for you, but it was well packed. As you can see, one of the things we found straight away was a wrestling arena, which was a little bit unexpected. I felt a bit silly really because it's freaking huge, and you can see from the pictures that all of the figures were actually inside it, but it just goes to show sometimes these big things are right there in front of you but easily missed. It was upside down. So you can start to see some of the turtle bits are in there. There's a telegraph pole. Unfortunately, they're always broken, but that's from the sewer layer. Another part from the sewer layer is right there. And you can see other parts of the sewer layer all in the bubble wrap, all lying on the top. This was a nice extra find. So what we have is an old Turtles costume made of really fragile plastic, and later on we found a little bandana. So we've almost got a complete turtle costume there. So quite a nice little find. They don't pop up that often, especially because they're so old and brittle. So you've probably spotted the Ghostbuster Haunted Highway, or Highway Haunter, and you can now see that the Turtles good stuff is starting to come out. We've got a foot cruiser there that's been nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's a really nice one to have in the collection. And no Turtles collection would be complete without the medal collection. These seem to pop up in all Turtle collections. I remember having that as a kid, and so did my brother. They were hugely popular. And you can see there's more and more of the Turtle layer parts, so that's a really good sign. Let's hope there's some of the rare parts for it as well. And as you can see, there is a Turtles party van. That's always a nice one to find. This one's actually in pretty good condition. It's the side door that swings out is a little bit damaged. It's got most of the parts, just missing that radar and a wing mirror, but I'm pretty sure I've got those spare anyway. But anyway, cool vehicle. And the last bits in this big box are these two sealed boxes, which will probably have the contents of that carrier bag that I mentioned earlier. So we'll open them up and see what we've got, but I can smell parts. So I quickly cut the seals on the boxes, but as expected, when we open these boxes, we've got lots of parts and lots of figures to look at. And straight away you can see some rare parts for the sewer layer. We've got that tiny yellow mine part that is always missing. We've got the fire hydrant, and we've got some lovely figure parts that we can all see. And that is a box of Turtles figure parts. That's a really good find, obviously. So you can see loads of different figure stuff there. There's obviously the sewer layer, you've got Ace Duck, a Rocksteady shield, you've got a tail motorbike, you've got a Sewer Surfer Mike surfboard, Bebop shield, that's part of a sewer tube. We've got Splinter there, who's seen better days, Michelangelo's nunchucks, we've got Panda Khan's weapons, we have got April O'Neil legs. Sadly she didn't make the trip, I don't think, because her leg's off. And we've got a Genghis frog, so he's a cool figure. I love the colours of these toys. Playmates did a really bang-up job. The foot soldier, sadly missing some legs. Might be able to glue him back on and we'll see what he looks like. More tube parts. But as you can see, this is just fantastic. Baxter Stockman part there. We've got a Muckman backpack. We've got the shield for Pizza Face. Nice Donatello figure there. We've got the wing mirror and gun for the Turtle Man. I don't know how much stuff you can spot, but there's obviously quite a lot there. Poor Panda Khan, he doesn't look too well. He's missing a hand. But you can see we've got tons of stuff in this box. We've got a Mutagen Man there. Looks like he's missing quite a few bits, but still nice little figure. He's always one of those ones that looks super weird with the eyes inside and his guts inside. And Captain Planet figures have shown up as well. Sly Sludge, I think his name was. There's Baxter Stockman. We did well with him. He had both his wings and the fly swat holder, just missing the fly swat. We've got a metal head. And you can see some Krang parts. Then we've got a Napoleon Boner Frog, just missing a left hand. The previous owner obviously liked pulling off limbs, because we did notice with this collection there were quite a lot of limbs missing or taken off. Ray Fillet is a nice looking figure. And we've got Splinter. That's a wacky action Splinter, but his legs have been ripped off. So yeah, somebody obviously enjoyed punishing their toys. I can't remember what the kid's name from Toy Story was, the mean kid who broke toys, but maybe that was him. We've got a Mondo Gecko. And we've got a Pizza Face. He's got his leg, which is nice. We saw his shield earlier, so we'll have to have a look for the other bits. Rocksteady, another one missing a limb. And we've got another turtle. And just a lovely mix of items. I can see a Krang pipe there that's quite hard to find. And the Leatherhead figure was there. The Rat King, forgot his name for a while. An Undercover Don. Wingnut, I love the look of that figure. He's got his belt, which is great. Have to see if he's got his wings and other parts. And Ace Duck, who's seen better days. You can already see his wings in there, so you might have more for him. Is that a Michelangelo or a Raphael figure? You can see the fire hydrant there, that's also a periscope for the sewer lair. There's a Muckman figure. He's a weird looking guy, but all of the mutant figures from this line were so strange looking. They were fantastic. And there we go, we've got another turtle, I think it's Raph. And Surfer Mike, again, another one who's missing a limb. He's missing his hand. Don't know why he's wearing a wetsuit because he's a turtle, but there we go. He is General Trog, so he's good. He looks nice. Another Captain Planet one, Hoggish something, I can't remember his second name. And Usagi, the Samurai Rabbit. And we've got a Bebop, it's nice he's in good condition. I think I saw his shield earlier in that box somewhere. And another turtle, so I'm guessing we've got all four turtles. I'm not sure if we're going to have all their parts. Another Casey Jones, that's good. He's quite common, but he's always seems to be missing parts when you get him in a collection. We've got, that is, I know what that is, that's Socket Boppers figure. They were made by Matchbox and they pop up quite a bit in random collections. He fits in quite well the Turtles, but he looks a bit like Mudman. But he's a swamp monster. So I was really happy with this haul. There was a lot of figures and a lot of parts in it. Some of the figures are complete. We've got figures from other lines, which was a bit unexpected. We've got a near complete Turtle Van, a Foot Cruiser, and the Sewer Lair playset. So it's pretty good. I love this line. The Playmates toys are so bright, colourful, and they look absolutely fantastic. I'm going to follow this up with another video showing which figures were complete and what we can do with the vehicles. Hope you enjoyed it, and please consider subscribing, and thank you very much for watching.